So, you want to try edibles, but you're not sure where to start. Well, we have some tips to keep you safe. Tip number 1, stay hydrated. Tip number 2, if you're new to edibles, stick to low quantity and low THC. Tip number 3, wait patiently before consuming more. Tip number 4, know your limits. Number 5, don't drive under the influence. Number 6, practice caution and don't try and smoke your edibles. People have tried. Now, we do have some more tips about using edibles if you'd like them. Okay, well, here they go. Read the label carefully. If you're going to make your own edibles, make sure you follow a recipe so you know how much cannabis you're putting in there. Plan ahead so you can use edibles in a safe place. This goes back to tip number 5 again, where we talked about not driving under the influence. Store your edibles safely so children and pets cannot get a hold of them. Don't mix your edibles with other prescription medications or alcohol. If you've consumed too much, try to remain calm. Follow these tips to have a safe and fun experience with your edibles. Thanks for watching.